Love is the air.
Do it for the TikTok. Trendy. You broke the school too,
Wow.
bro girl.
What is this place? Where are we?
I don't know, some kind of secret room?
Let's keep it that way.
Just don't tell me spiders lives here. Nothing personal, Tom Holland. Oh. Ew.
Are you afraid of the dark? 'Cause I am for sure.
It's so dark here. I need a window right now.
Huh? What?
Right here.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Good job, but can you clean up?
Of course not.
Does this change anything?
Oh, I will do whatever you want, young lady. Let's get to work.
Huh? A light switch, ladies and gentlemen. One button press away. See?
Sunshine is better for the skin, so this is my side. Respect my boundaries. This is my side, so don't cross it.
My side is way better than your side.
We
I
will
don't even
see.
want to.
Oh,
yes,
yeah.
yes. Let's see what we're working with. We don't need those. Let's get to work now. You come here. So we need it on the diagonal. Now let me get my scissors. Now let's go full Harley Quinn mode. We got it. Something is missing. Check this out. I can hear the waves. And now, l'heure de croissant. Or it can get a bit cozy in here and a bit chilly. This is my chance. Whee! Yes! Now it's better.
This one. Ow, that hurt. Let me show you how decorating is done. I'm making it rain, literally. It's so art deco. I almost see Gatsby around here.
It's on my side. Now let's rock. Where is... Oh, that's perfect. Let me just... I am a superwoman. The fun part... It's not gold, but who cares? It still looks glamorous. Yes. How about this?
Ew, it's so old-fashioned. Something is missing. Let's go. Now I know what to do.
What? Oh, that is actually super pretty.
That's how you do it.
What if? A light bulb moment for sure. Picasso mode on. One girl's trash is another girl's treasure. Not talking about men though. Let me paint that heart good. Yes.
How dare you! I have to do something quick. This thing will get colorful. I hope you like pink, girl. And I'm talking no pop singers here. Let's pour it out. Don't be shy. Put some more.
Cool. Looks good. I deserve some rest after the hard work. What? Don't tell me. I have an emoji on my behind.
Goddamn.
Wait a second. That's a heart. Now let me just give the wall some love. Perfect. Can you feel the love in the air? And on the wall too.
Did you just... Finally. Something is missing though. That's not enough. Let me think. Oh, wow. I knew that I had more.
Wow, they're so beautiful. I'll make it better. My favorite box. I got exactly what I need. Hi. Now we take this guy and a glue stick. Put some glue on the side. Now connect the two sides. I see you! Boom! It's just like magic!
Amazing! I am the queen here.
You little... I will show you! Wow! I have connected them all! Wow! I bet you can do this!
Oh, fabulous! I need more light. Oh, my eyes! My eyes!
Why is it so hot? Shades mode on? Oh, that's why!
Ew, the floor is such a mess. I need somewhere to sit. Come here. That on the top. And the cherry on top. Perfect. Let's try it out.
I want a sofa too! Let's see what we have here. A bunch of useless stuff? The DIY gods are not smiling at me. Look at this! How cool! I'm a little out of breath, but the result is marvelous. Who's got a smoothie? These guys are tight, get it? Get it? Done! It's so comfy and cool, love it!
Cool balloons. It will be a shame if something happens to them.
Is that a plane or a bird?
Ginger Airlines is the best company. What am I missing here? Oh no! I need to change my outfit. Alfred!
I'm here, milady.
Now bounce.
Yes, of course.
Not bad. Let's try it. I look glamorous as always. Wonderful, it's like me. I need to change my shoes. Now everything is perfect.
I think I saw a Martian out there. I can craft something better than this. Wow! Out of my way, Mr. Plant! You're mine now! You are going with me! You haven't skipped any meals, have you? Oops! Oh no! You don't need this. Let me see the future. This is for later. Now let's rock. We are showering her in that deep pink. Am I an avant-garde genius or what? Something is missing. It's my lucky day! You can say I had a light bulb moment. Oh, look at this beauty! And now, revenge.
The gold never gets old.
I'm coming for your brain and your gold!
Ew, doesn't cut it. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Ginger?
Huh?
Can you help me? It's too heavy. And you are so strong.
Wait, why should I help you?
Read it, please.
Oh, look at her dreamy eyes.
This is the one.
Okay, let me warm up my muscles. I did it! I'm so strong! Let me just catch my breath.
Good job.
Can you help me now?
I'm so tired. Oh, poor me.
But okay, rest now.
Is she gone? Oh. Gray's not my color. Let's switch things up. Wow, you can never go wrong with gold.
Can the wind be any stronger? Ouch! Where did you run from, huh?
I'm almost done. Wait, what? What the? Where did the tire go? Huh?
Thank you, Mr. Principal. La, 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 la. It may be wrong, but this is how I roll. Finally, I got a plan. Just look at this. I need to cute it up. Well, this is perfect for my craft. And this. Poison ivy got nothing on me. Let's pour it all out. The cherry on top. My hunt for the perfect table doesn't stop here. Do you mind if I take a slice? I hope not. You're coming with me. Careful, careful.
What's going on? Is that glass missing?
Don't do that at home, kids. Here we go. The cutest table ever.
But it's not gold. Alfred, I need a mirror.
Here you go, milady. Do you need something else?
Yes, I'm hungry. My favorite.
Here it is, milady.
Thank you. Let's try it out.
My stomach is making dinosaur noises now. I'm so hungry.
Who needs food when you have makeup?
This is my opportunity.
I am the cutest thing alive.
She's not looking. Now is my chance. That will be a mirror. Time for a DIY segment again, folks. A perfect decoration. You go here. Whee! I'm a master craftsman or a craftswoman. It's 2022. Cute.
Done. Hey, where is my plate? Look at this broke girl. What is she doing? Why did this mirror look like my plate? Whatever.
It's just an illusion, my friend.
Something is wrong. I need a fireplace. Oh no, Daddy blocked my cards. I'm through. Alfred!
I'm sorry, miss.
What is this?
Wait a second. This means I'm free.
Alfred? Alfred!
How cool is this? What? Is that?
Everyone left me.
Oh, maybe I should help her. We can make a fireplace together. On your
really?
side. Yes, yes.
Thank you.
This is my crafting box.
Cool.
Yay! So we put the black sheet down.
And we use the sponge to make a brick-like shape. Press it good.
Yay! You did it! And now we need fire. We will need the scissors and a bit of fiery paint. Let's get to work. Look at this! Definitely lit. Look at what we've created!
I will make a marshmallow for you. This goes here.
Huh? Thanks, I guess.
Why it's not melting?
He
I
fell.
wish I had a bigger screen.
You know I can make a projector. Wait.
What? A projector? Here?
This is my last box. Bingo! I'm a ladybug. Woo! And now I need a box.
I have a box. Let me just take care of... go away. Right on the spot.
Now let's place the lenses here and here. Now we have our private cinema. Hi, Meg!
Too much light. Now it's better.
Hope you have the popcorn. And this? Yay!
Sweet.
Come on!
Yes, honey.
I had a dream that I'm poor. Wait. I am. I want to make a TikTok.
TikTok? But I look so bad. Look at me.
Yeah, we definitely need to change your outfit. I got an idea. Oh, I am a magician. That's even better. Look at this. I'm a crafter too.
Wow, thank you so much!
And now some makeup action.
Wow! Do I look good?
Now you look perfect. Let's make a TikTok together. Wow, I knew it was heavy, but this is much.
Now it's a party!
Dance, girl, dance!
Do the stanky leg!
What? My poster! Someone is in real trouble! Let me see what's going on here. Huh? They're having a party? What the? What happened to the room? Detention! This'll teach them a lesson. This is not looking so bad after all. What's this? Ah, here we go.